Okay, and then I have to open this drive shaft, these inner areas, these shafts, this inner locking plate, and it happens so that when I rotate this shaft in here, you can see that in that area this one is like safety cover, and let's go to look closer, and I have to remove that first, and it happens so that I take flathead screwdriver and I hit through in that area my screwdriver in that, and let's look a little bit far away, and now I hit my tool through that area. And then I bend this cover out this area, and also inside. Then this plate is free. It looks like that. This is cover plate, and then there is locking pin, and I need my pliers. And let's look in here, and in that area I have to little bit bend that in this way. At the same time, when I bend that, I insert my tool in here, and then I can carefully remove that. A little bit bigger you, my tongs. Now it went back again. Okay. Then this locking. A little bit work, and now it opens. Good. Now we can see that how this part is. This locking pin is free. Okay, there that one. And then there was also this part in here, and now I can remove these drive shafts better, because now these parts are like more loosened. And let's look that if I hit that, how easily they are. Okay, it is quite a little bit more hammering. And now this drive shaft hoop, it is free, good. In that side.